Hey y'all, welcome back. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that it's after 10:15 at night and I'm just starting to film. Tonight is going to be just a late night clean with me. I love cleaning at night, and mostly because we're night owls and I get a lot of things done at night, so I'm just gonna take you along with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will talk to you guys very soon.
Trying to figure you out, I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too. 'Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you.
So probably in my next video, I'm going to go ahead and declutter and organize my pantry again. Love my boyfriend to death, but he eats a lot. And I just need to figure out a little bit of an easier way to organize things in this pantry. So hopefully in the next video, it will be a little bit more satisfying than what you see right now. But I did organize this a while back. Also, my cleaning supplies are in there as well because we don't really have storage in this house. So hopefully, fingers crossed, our next rental will have at least one more storage closet. I will be very grateful for that.
It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, that's making me feel like I'm falling.
I tend to get a lot of questions asking about where I purchased our table from. It is from Rooms to Go, and it was $400. And they also have one that's more of like a bar height as well, and it has like the higher chairs that go with it for a little bit more money. But I do recommend it. It's pretty small, so it fits like homes that are pretty small or apartments. This home is almost 1,700 square feet. And so yeah, it was only like a few hundred feet bigger than the apartment that we were looking for right before we decided to go with this house. But the table fits perfect for the space that we do have. Our next rental might be bigger, so I might end up having to purchase a new table. But I'm definitely going to keep this one no matter what, just in case if we end up having to use it somewhere else.
Oh, baby. For losing you, or for losing you. Left our love up on those dusty shelves. Can't forgive myself for losing you.
So I ended up having to change my bottoms because I was sweating, and usually that doesn't happen because we keep our house around like I think it's around like 66 to 68 degrees inside the house. So I'm always freezing because I'm a beanpole. I'm skinny, and my boyfriend runs hot, so I'm always having to wear like sweatpants and stuff. But I ended up having to go outside and take Dixie out, and then I was like really burning up from like burning all these calories like cleaning and then going outside sweating in the humidity of Texas. But I just want to show off my new shorts. They're from Buc-ee's. If you know what Buc-ee's is, leave a comment down below. Best place ever. And there's also one that's like kind of close to my house that sells Dippin' Dots. Ooh, if you love Dippin' Dots, put some ice cream emojis down below in the comments. Before I hand wash, I like to wash out the sink that I'm going to be having the clean dishes in. So I'll go ahead and just scrub it down with some soap, rinse it out, and then I'll start washing my dishes, and then I'll rinse all of them at the very end.
Something you never needed. What was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish ways to love you more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Had a vision, we held on to so tight. To me it was clear, but you lied to me. Now I keep thinking, was I wasting my time letting you into my life? You brought out the best in me. We had everything we needed. You put me aside and turned out the lights for no reason. Was it a make-believe? Something you never needed. What was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish ways to love you more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Was it all make-believe? Something you never needed? Or was it a for? I don't know yet anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Hey. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish ways to love you more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us too. Playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing. But guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing.
So I ended up getting this portable playpen for Dixie. Totally worth it. It was about $40 on Amazon. I will link it down below. It comes in different colors, so it's super nice if I want to like take it to my mom's house or take it to another relative's house, and that way she has a confined area. If say we're having like a barbecue or something and I don't want her running around everywhere, she'll have somewhere to play. Super easy. It folds up and it comes with a bag, and it's also waterproof. So 10 out of 10 recommend.
Had to convince my friends this time. Think you're toxic to my mind, but I know they don't know what you're all about. The way you hold my body tight, staying up talking through the night. Yeah, I know they just don't. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess
I'm going to go ahead and answer some questions that you guys might have. My coffee table is from Tj Maxx. It was $130. My black little tray that I set on top of it is from Hobby Lobby. And then maybe my pet stairs you might have questions about. I did purchase it from PetSmart and it was $40.
with us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. Why don't you stay? Why don't we it's all or nothing.
A minute until midnight. I'm just wondering where you at. Just thought I'd call and wish you good night. I left my key under the mat. I don't get anything done, you're stuck on my mind. I keep on missing your touch, missing your vibe. This feeling might go when I say what we had. Won't you come on over? Don't you miss me too? Give it all you got, babe. Give it all you got, baby. I'd rather try than lose you. Give it all you got, baby. Give me all you got.
So Dixie actually had an accident on our comforter, so I'm having to wash that. So I'm just going to straighten out our sheets and then go ahead and put our blanket that we've been using on the bed. And actually, I like sleeping with this during the summer, just a small thin blanket, because it gets very hot upstairs. This rental house does not have a single fan in it. No ceiling fans whatsoever, and I couldn't believe that they actually built a house in Texas without any fans. Like, that blew my mind. But we literally did not even notice until after we signed the lease. We're like, oh my gosh, there's no fans. I could have bought one, but you know what? Never did. We just cranked the AC instead. But anyway, this blanket I actually purchased from Homegoods.
I don't get anything done, you're stuck on my mind. I keep on missing your touch, missing your vibe. This feeling might go when I say what we had. Won't you come on over? Don't you miss me too? Give it all you got, babe. Give it all you got, baby. I'd rather try than lose you. Give it all you got, baby. Give me all you got.
So, update on my Roborock vacuum. I'm still absolutely obsessed with it. It is so good, but you have to charge it. So mine ended up running out of battery after using it from downstairs to upstairs. So always have a corded vacuum in your home. But that's going to do it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, please leave them down below and I will get back to you, or message me on Instagram and I will also get back to you over there. Love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Traveling